Oh, shit. Yo, what's up? You know what the deal is. We back for another night doing Amazon Relay. Trying to push some content out. I've been away for a while, so we're going to do a Amazon Relay trip. We're going not too far from Atlanta, Lawrenceville, Georgia, about 50 miles. So y'all, let's get this show on the road and let's get rolling. Yo, I just tripped up like hell. But alright, y'all, so this is honestly gonna be a really easy night. I didn't record any footage of me loading. I just got literally those 2 pallets, those non-con loose items. And I'm just waiting. I have one more little pallet, but I'm waiting for the Gaylord so I can just put those little items in the pallet, in the Gaylord, because, yep, but it's an easy night, y'all. It's an easy night. A very easy night, actually, thank God. Very easy night. Very easy night. Easy night, folks. Let's drop and get on out of here. Let us go. Let's go. I love easy nights like this. Why can't every night be like this? Sheesh. y'all. So as y'all can see, these packages are behind me. I'm not gonna leave them here without nobody. The post office is not open, so I'm gonna wait until the postal office employee comes. But I just decided to expedite the process so that when they come, either they say you can leave it out here or just bring it inside instead of having to go up and down, up and down, up and down, when I can just easily unload it right now, wait until they open, and then bam, we're all good. But anyways, y'all, that ends another video. Thank you so much for checking out yet another video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. And until next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.